Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make broccoli beef with turmeric. Okay, just like our everyday stir fry, I've got some nice beef cut in very thin slices. And as usual, stir fry has to be on very high heat. So I'm going to use this and braise the beef real fast. So let this get hot. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use all our ingredients. So in this there is chili sauce, which is made, and that's on our channel. And so I'm gonna cook this about 3 times. So always whenever you're doing something on a stir fry real fast, you don't want to lower the temperature by putting a whole amount real fast. So now there you go. Cook it little bit at a time. So it raises fast. It raises really fast. We're gonna braise this really fast and let it cook all the way through on real high heat. Okay, so now this is cooked. I'm going to take this off completely and put it aside. So this, a little more oil. Okay, so in the same pan, I added a little more oil. And to this, I'm going to add sliced onions. Get real hot. And my ginger and garlic. This is chopped ginger and garlic. Saute this good. To this, I'm going to add my turmeric powder, since it's turmeric beef. Saute this real well. You want to let it cook. Okay, so you don't want to cook this too much. And to this we're going to add my beef, which we have fried. Okay. Fried beef and my hot sauce, the chili paste which we made. Okay, it comes in handy for everything when you want to spice things up. To this I'm going to add my beef broth. Cook a little bit. There you are. Oh my God, it smells so. With the ginger, garlic, and the turmeric. Amazing. Okay, so now let it simmer a little bit and get softened. The beef gets the flavor of the broth. Okay, so now with this, and my broccoli, and this is how we're going to finish real fast. Okay. Real fast. There we go. Almost done. There's salt and pepper in this, salt and sugar. Add it to this, mix this. Okay, now thicken this like a stir fry. We add some cornstarch to this, and there you go. It will thicken real fast and real good. And my cilantro is ready to go. Stir fry turmeric beef with broccoli. Okay, voila, here's our recipe for turmeric beef. I hope you'll like this. Okay, we're gonna taste this, the beef with broccoli and turmeric. And oh my God, it's nice. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and like us on Pinterest, like us on Facebook, and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!